So the next characteristic of living things is that living things reproduce. What do you mean by reproduce? Produce it, right? Reproduce means to produce something, to keep producing something, to reproduce it. So they have the ability or capability to reproduce. They can reproduce things, they can produce things. Now what do they produce? They produce young ones of their own kind. Okay, for example, if you see birds, they lay eggs, they reproduce by laying eggs. They lay eggs, and these eggs hatch and a new bird comes out of it, right? So birds can reproduce by laying eggs. Animals and human beings, how do they reproduce? They reproduce by giving birth to young ones of their own kind. Okay, so animals and human beings can reproduce by giving birth to the young ones. Now plants also reproduce through seed. What happens when we sow a seed? That seed grows into a plant, right? So plants also reproduce through seeds. So living things can reproduce. Birds lay eggs, and then eggs hatch into birds. Animals and human beings, they give birth to the young ones of their own kind. And plants, they reproduce through seeds.